Hello, I'm Anastasia.
Hello, I'm Nikita.
Welcome to the Junior Global Poisson Workshop 2020.
We're really glad to see you at this 3-day, fully online event.
Our goal is to create a global venue for young researchers to advertise their work in Poisson geometry and broadly related topics.
And we have an exciting lineup of a total of 25 workshop speakers, all of whom are early career researchers. There's also a special professional development session on Monday and a colloquium talk on Wednesday.
Each talk is given in two parts, a plenary talk in the main conference room in Zoom and a parallel talk in one of the parallel session rooms. We also have a number of social activities hosted in game rooms and networking sessions hosted in the main conference room. We really encourage you to participate and enjoy your time to get to know other members of the Poisson community. We are also using Slack to help participants communicate with each other. You should think of Slack as the main hall of our virtual conference venue, where all the chat, coffee, and tea happen. All these details can be found in the conference package that has been sent by email to all the almost 250 registered participants. Also, if you see this video but you have not yet registered, there may still be some time.
Our participants are tuning in from all over the world, so we have recorded this welcome message so that you can watch it at a time that is convenient in your time zone. The scheduling format of the conference is that there are 2 presentation sessions every day. One session should be convenient for participants tuning in from the Eastern Hemisphere, and another one for those from the Western Hemisphere. Each session is a 2-hour block of 4 plenary talks, followed by a 1-hour block of 4 simultaneous parallel talks. Please also keep in mind that our workshop uses the GMT time zone, but on our webpage you can find the corresponding times in your time zone, and also, of course, you can always use time zone converting apps and websites.
It is the nature of such global online events that it's impossible to capture all parts of the world at the same time. As participants, please don't worry about not being able to attend the entire conference due to time zone difference or any other commitment.
All the plenary talks will be recorded and the recordings will appear on YouTube. So please attend as much as you can, and most importantly, have a very productive and enjoyable experience.